chain. Yeah.
Yes.
How do you generate and protect an IP?
So basically, that takes us to what we refer to as the intellectual property value chain. And so it's composed of 4 categories, where you start with the generation of the IP, you protect the IP, you commercialize the IP, and enforce the IP.
Yes.
Now, if we begin from, in principle, intellectual property is just like any other property, only that in this case, we refer to them as intangible assets.
Yeah.
For example, goodwill. Goodwill is intangible.
Yeah.
If today I told you to quantify, just maybe this could be maybe a commercial break.
Yeah.
Even love.
Yeah.
Now, is love tangible or intangible?
It depends. If you buy me a car and buy me a few things, that could be tangible. But
Meaning
if you're just telling me you love me, it is intangible.
Doesn't bring money on the table.
Yes.
So clearly that's what we're talking about here. So IP is intangible, but the way you handle it and manage it along the chain, you translate it into a tangible mode.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, at generation is, having talked previously that there are different forms of IP. Now, how you generate a trademark, for example, is because you're in commerce and you're producing maybe pineapple juice, and you want to have a logo that can actually differentiate your pineapple juice from similar pineapple juice sellers in the marketplace.
Yes.
So it's a unique logo, so you've generated. So in principle, how do you generate it? First, there's something you want to put into commerce. Then you're going to get a graphic designer.
Yes.
For example, he sits on board with you. And that's why one of the key sectors that we're actually going to push for to support moving forward are those players at NASA Road.
Those guys save us a
the
lot.
The day we tell them how important IP is to them, even a mere wedding card, you'll pay a premium to have them design for your wedding card or an order for your wedding service. So how does it work? You'll tell them that, please, you see, I want to do this. This is what I want. So you sit with him like 30 minutes, 1 hour. He designs for you. Once he designs to you, ordinarily, you'll take time and tell them now, print for me. Like maybe 1,000 copies.
Put even on my t-shirt.
Put even on my t-shirt you get. Now, what is now failing both parties is that, number one, you who's actually the client, you don't know where your IP stops, or where it starts and where it stops. The guy who's producing for you this, the graphic designer, does not know where his IP starts and where it stops. Ordinarily, this